Acá tenemos un problema. La bomba está mala.
We'll have to clean it, then maybe it'll be alright once we clean it out.
Maybe clean inside?
Yeah, once
pump?
once we clean it, then maybe the pump is okay.
Yeah, maybe it's good. It's okay. We see the...
Yeah, the water before, yeah.
Huh?
You get the dirt in there, and then there's no pump. We need to turn the water
shit.
on. Yeah.
Estamos viendo la mugre, la porquería que no se la sacaron ayer. But working.
Yeah, we need what downstairs. Take
water.
the ladder, turn on the water.
Water y one plate
Yes. Yep.
for out the shit.
Yep. Out the shit.
Why you not thinking?
Hey, I don't work on this here. See, Joseph did. Him and Gregory, they worked on this. They put the filters on. They said it was working, but it's not working because
La bomba se echó a perder solamente por la mugre.
There's too much trash. It
Only
sucks up.
trash?
Yeah, it sucks up in the pump.
Hey, Bill. This is the problem.
Yeah.
The bomba maybe is good.
Yeah.
Too much shit.
Too much shit in the pump. Yeah, it sucked the straw, shit, the dirt up inside. We need to flush it out.
Yep. Necesitamos sacarle toda la mugre para que la bomba funcione excelente.
The lady coming yet? Turn on the water.